Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're back for another box. Want to see what we're doing? That's right, it's another Magic at Your Door. That's 2 weeks in a row. We're getting caught up. This is May, the gold box, and that's all coming up right now. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. So because we waited so long to do the other unboxing, we did get a gold ticket in the last box, but we didn't have a chance to submit it yet because we were just crazy. So there isn't an extra gold ticket in here, gold ticket item in here, but that will be coming in the future. Here we go. Oh, I get it now. All right, so so I will put up the monthly newsletter in the photo box. Boop. So they're talking about a new Loungefly Ghost Mickey and Minnie. Looks like it glows in the dark. And then they have the color codes on here, talking about Christmas in July. And the new subscription product, which is what we got last month, and I didn't know because it didn't have a price on it. It was, let's see. We are so proud to be offering these amazingly detailed pieces to our new Disney Parks Engraved Art Collection subscription. Now available at Magic at Your Door. So that's what was in our last box. Very cool. And then it talks about the golden ticket, which I already covered. Alright, let's dive into this. So again, this is the gold box. I always recommend, if you're going to get a subscription, get the gold one. Alright. Gold pouch for the gold box. We will wait on that. Don't let me forget. This is heavy. What do we got going on here? Are these placemats? I think they are. Yes, set of 4 placemats. They are $40 in the parks. And this is kitchen towel. And these are, now hold on a minute. Alright, hang on. I got too many things happening here. Let's see what these look like. We like getting kitchen stuff. So, placemat number 1. Placemat number 2. I can do it. Placemat number 3. And placemat number Goofy. I like that you can switch them too and do them small world if you want. Very cool. So then it looks like it's matchy-matchy with these. Nothing. So these are decorative hand towels. Look at how embroidered Goofy is. That's, I mean, not how embroidered, but look, he's embroidered. It's cute. So we got Goofy. Alright, so that was... I just threw everything apart. So $24.99 for these two. And... $40 for the placemats. And then another $24.99 for these two, for Minnie and Mickey. Very cool. Getting our kitchen all done up. And then... let's see here. Ceramic trinket box. So this is $19.99. I don't know what this is. I mean, it's a trinket box. So it's the apple from Snow White. And you can, like, I think we'll put our rings on it. So it's just a little tray for, like, keys or rings or something like that. Pretty cute. I dig it. I'll throw that in the photo box. Boop. And then we've got an itty bitty Jim Shore box. So this is from our wish list. It's Cogsworth. I just put him on there recently. Trying to expand our Jim Shore collection. And look at... I love it. So he was $30. I will throw him on the turntable. Boop. Very nice. And finally, we've got the gold pouch. So it's a... hang on. Oh, I love it. Okay, so it's a ticket book. Like A through E ticket. This is yellow, so it's $12.99. And when you open up the ticket book, you can see what they used to look like. It has each individual ticket in there. I'll throw that in the photo box. Both open, boop, and closed, boop. Very nice. I like it. So that was $12.99. Alright. Cool. Got some kitchen stuff. Got some Jim Shore. Got a cool pin. Got a ring holder. Very cool. Alright. If you haven't joined us on Instagram, please do so at Disney Dynamicks. If you haven't joined our Facebook group, it's called Disney Dynamicks, and it's located in Facebook.
Good job.
If you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, and please come enjoy our lives Disney After Dark on Saturday nights, 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern. We will see you there. I hope you're having a great day.